In this video, I'll show you how to sign up for eBay. So right now we're on eBay.com. And then all you need to do here is click on register, okay? There you go. And now it's bringing up the sign up page. You can either create a personal account or a business account, okay? What I'll do is I'll just go ahead and create a personal account because the business one is usually for businesses or non-profit organizations if you basically plan on selling a large number of goods, okay? So I'll just create a personal one. You can go ahead and fill in your first name, last name, email, and set up a password, or you can also continue with these options right here: Google, Facebook, and Apple. I'll use Google for this example. So just go ahead and click on that. And then we choose a Google account to basically authorize. So we'll authorize this one right here. And there we go. It's trying to, link us up with eBay. So now what happens here is you can either simplify your sign in, basically using Windows Hello. You can use your PIN, face, or fingerprint. I'll just skip this. I don't need this, honestly. Okay. Now here we go. We have our account created. We are signed up. Okay. So if I come here, I can show you my profile, right? So I'll just click on that. And there we go. We already have our profile set up. Now here we have the about section, right? You can go ahead and click on edit profile to go ahead and add that. You basically tell people what your profile is about, what you prefer selling, what you're passionate about. And if I come here to feedback, you'll see all your reviews. And if you want to ever go ahead and sell, you can come here, click on sell. Okay. And on this page, let me explain some things to you. You can go ahead and list items, right? You can add photos, and it is free to list. Okay. And they only charge you a 10 to 15% of the final value commission. And your first 250 listings each month, they are free. And then if you do list more than that, right, in that month, they do charge a $0.35 insertion fee per listing. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple.